Hi, I'm Jamie, and I want to welcome you to Adminovate. I hope that this video gives you a feel for what to expect here, and if it resonates with you, please subscribe. If you are a small business owner, leader, department manager, or a solo entrepreneur getting ready to hire that first support person, you've come to the right place. Adminovate is all about helping small businesses get unburied by rethinking the way that we manage administration in our companies. Here's what happens. It's so common, and maybe this has happened to you. A small business starts because you have a passion or an expertise in a particular product or service, or you've invested in a company to build something great, be it wealth, freedom, time, or just building a great company. Somewhere along the way, administration falls to the back burner. That all hands on deck mentality that started your business just isn't sustainable. And we lose focus on administration, or the managers get buried in the administration. Well, I'm here to tell you that admin doesn't have to be a burden. If we rethink the way that we manage our admin functions and our admin teams, we can get you unburied. And when you get unburied, then you can do the strategic thinking and planning that your company really needs. I have tons of stories and quick tips to share with you on this channel. I hope that you subscribe below and comment so I know what topics you really want to hear about most.